The Grand Mahakumbh Mela, once held every 12 years, comes to a spectacular end today in Prayagraj. Millions of devotees, monks and pilgrims gather at Triveni Sangam for a final holy dip on scare occasion of Mahashivratri. This year's Mahakumbh was very special because of rare event in sky, which happens only once in 144 years. Since January 13, more than 65 crores people have come to the festival. They saw big processions and took part in a 3 holy baths called Amrit Snan. Lakhs had already taken a holy bath. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, monitoring the event, congratulated all devotees, saying Har Har Mahadev. Pilgrims from across India and worldwide joined the celebration. Authorities worked tirelessly to manage crowd, ensuring smooth travel and safety. As Mahakumbh concludes, its spirit of devotion and unity remains in every heart. Mahashivratri celebrations are in full swing across India. In Ujjain, devotees are gathering at a scared Mahakaleshwar temple for the darshan and special rituals. In Kedarnath, preparations are underway, with religious ceremonies planned before the temple doors open. Varanasi's Kashi Vishwanath temple is witnessed as the large numbers of visitors. Somnath temple in Gujarat and Baba Baidyanath temple in Jharkhand are also drawing massive crowds. It has been 5 days since 8 workers got stuck inside a tunnel after part of it fell down. Rescue teams are trying very hard, but they have not talked to the workers yet. On Tuesday, the rescue team reached to the collapsed roof, but water, mud and debris are still blocked the way. Experts say this rescue is very difficult. A small earthquake might have caused the collapse. Even the rescue workers are in danger. A CAG report in Delhi Assembly reveals issues in the excise policy under Arvind Kejriwal. It shows big losses for the government and warns for the possible monopolies. The report says rules were ignored, approvals were missing, and exemptions were given without permissions. Losses came from special zones license and no proper tenders. BSF troops stops an infiltration attempt at the India-Pakistan border in Pathankot, Punjab. An intruder ignored warning and kept moving forward. BSF took action and neutralized him. Officials are investigating, and BSF will protest to Pakistan ranges over the incident. President Trump announced the Gold Card, a $5 million fast track to US citizenship for wealthy people. It offers green card benefit and more. The plan may be replaced EB-5. Trump says no Congress approval needed. Launch expected in 2 weeks. The US and Ukraine have agreed on a critical minerals deal. President Zelensky will visit to assign it. Trump pushed for Ukraine's rare earth access as repayment for the US aid. The deal strengthens ties and may lead to peace talks. Big changes in Bihar politics. The cabinet may expand today as BJP's Dilip Jaiswal resigned as Revenue Minister. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will decide on new ministers. BJP may add 5 MLAs, 2 from JDU. 6 cabinet seats are still vacant. Podcaster Ranveer Allabadia is in trouble over controversial remark on India's Got Latent. He admitted his mistake to Maharashtra Cyber, facing multiple FIRs. He said he joined as a favor of Samir Raina. Mumbai and Assam police are investigating further. CBSE Class 10 students can now take board exams twice a year. They can choose February, May or both to improve scores. Exams covers the full syllabus with the same center. No re-exams may serve as a supplementary. Registrations close in September. Final mark sheet shows best scores. Public feedback is open till 9.